Welcome back to Piston Power. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Isuzu D-Max, a pickup that's built tough but doesn't compromise on modern tech and comfort. From its bold exterior to its refined interior, this truck is ready for work and adventure. The 2025 D-Max gets a fresh new look with a more aggressive front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and updated bumpers. The sharp body lines and muscular fenders give it a rugged presence, while new alloy wheel designs enhance its stance. Isuzu has refined the aerodynamics to improve efficiency, and with multiple color options available, there's a D-Max to suit every style. Moving to the rear, the tailgate has a clean, modern design, and the taillights feature LED elements that improve visibility. The reinforced cargo bed is built to handle heavy loads, making this pickup as practical as it is stylish. Step inside, and you'll find a more premium cabin compared to previous models. The 2025 D-Max features high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a redesigned dashboard with a larger touchscreen infotainment system. The digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, and Isuzu has improved noise insulation, making the ride quieter and more comfortable. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and higher trims come with a premium sound system. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort, with better lumbar support and optional leather upholstery. Rear passengers also get more legroom, making this a great option for both work and family use. Under the hood, the 2025 D-Max offers a refined 3.0L turbo diesel engine delivering 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. A more fuel-efficient 1.9L turbo diesel is also available for those looking to save on fuel costs. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive performance. With improved suspension tuning, the D-Max handles rough terrain with ease. The 4WD system, combined with a locking rear differential, ensures excellent traction, whether you're towing a trailer or tackling off-road trails. Pricing for the 2025 Isuzu D-Max starts at around $35,000 for the base model, while higher trims with premium features can go up to $55,000. It's a solid competitor in the pickup market, offering reliability, performance, and modern tech. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car and truck reviews. This is Piston Power, and we'll see you in the next one.